Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the voice assistant feature on the AI Chatbot OpenChat AI application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on this microphone icon down below. And now you should select the accent and the language of the AI, and now tap on the recorder or microphone icon and start speaking. And after that you will be able to ask a question and the AI will tell you the answer in your selected accent and language. So you need to be a premium member in order to unlock this feature. As you can see, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.